Bros Productions.
Morning, y'all. It is 7 a.m. so we're out here pretty early. We're out here at another pond. We fished here once before this year so far, but didn't have too much luck, so we're gonna hit it again this morning. Probably not gonna be out here too long, so that's why we got here pretty early. Fire pond though. It's nice. It's got cover. It goes back into there. Can't really bank fish it, so that's why we're in the canoe. But the clarity's pretty nice today, not too bad. It's about 70 degrees, I'd say. I think there's going to be some storms rolling in this afternoon, so that's also why we're here early this morning. But there's got to be some big ones in here, so we'll see.
We're here early, so I'm going to try to get on a topwater bite. See if I can get some of that going. What are you starting out with? So Ty's rolling with the purple with blue specks. Alright. See if we can.
Put what?
Said I put a new pack in there. Dude. Up. Oh gosh, that was right in front of us. Yeah. Alright, well, he's off now. Alright, so there's my first fish. First fish of the day for us. Caught it literally like 3 feet off the boat. I wasn't even paying attention, so this guy surprised me. Out there. Is that a turkey? Oh. Yep. Back to back. Oh yeah. On the top water. There we go. Alright, so my second one, a little bit bigger. On the top water. I know. Wait. Yep. It's not. Come here. Biggest of the day. Alright, a little chunky guy on the purple and brown PB&J Cinco. It's my third one of the day.
Alright, so the sun's starting to come up over these trees and cast on this backside here, so We're gonna hit this part up, get a little sun on it, get a little bass action going.
There's one. Oh, he hit it like 3 times.
Here we go.
Did you get one too? Dang, we already doubled up. You hooked up. That's a decent one? Same size as been catching?
Yep.
Not bad. He's hooked up with a fish.
Here we go on the PB&J. Texas Rig Cinco.
We would've doubled up.
There we go.
You got the release.
Just an average guy. Nothing too fancy. There you go.
Alright, let's catch a fish. Oh yeah. Yep. Knew it. I called that too. There we go.
He's hooked up over there.
Right off that bush over there. That's my 4th fish of the day. Nothing too big, but it's a fish.
Teddy's hooked up over there. Just brought one in.
Right off
Fix the
that
end of my line.
bush over there. That's my 4th fish of the day. Nothing too big, but
We're gonna go off that one.
you got one?
Is that a fish or what?
Yeah, you get on.
Oh, there we go. Okay. I couldn't tell. Like I couldn't.
I know. I saw your. That's biggest of the day, probably. That ain't bad. Yeah,
There we
dude,
go.
your line took off.
Dude, I couldn't tell because that was the weirdest catch.
Yeah,
I couldn't see my line. Like I thought you
I
were.
saw your line like go in front of the canoe, and I'm like, he's got a fish. So I started backing up.
I didn't know. I couldn't really see my line. I thought you were turning, so I was like trying to move it over top of you. Not a bad guy. Second one of the day on the purple and brown. We actually looked it up. It's actually called peanut butter and jelly. That's the actual name of the Cinco. Peanut butter and jelly.
Can't go wrong with a PB.
So you can eat a PB&J and cast out your PB&J at the same time, if you so please.
Alright, so we pulled up, stretching out. It's about 8:32. So I've caught about 5, he's caught like 3 or 4. So we pulled up, taking a break, and then we're gonna hopefully get on a big one. I mean, we've caught some chunks, but
Need the big daddy.
haven't caught anything big yet, so we're gonna get back out there, fish for a little bit longer, and then call it a day.
You can serve GoPro and then keep her off. No, thank you.
Yep.
Solid.
About the size of yours. Dude, I mean, there's not a lot of small ones in here. See, look how dark it is.
Yeah.
It's a dark fish right there. It's probably my biggest of the day. Let's get a release.
Alright, so we're going to call that a wrap. It was good to get out on the canoe today. We got out here pretty early. Once the sun came up, the bite kind of got on and then it fell off. So but we were out here for a good, I don't know, 2-3 hours. So caught about 7 fish. Nothing too big, but still a good day on the water nonetheless. So I'm sure we'll be fishing again here tomorrow. So stay tuned for our next video. Hope you like this one.